Hello, my name is Shrinking Sharon and welcome to my channel, Shrinking Sharon from MS7. Today we'll be talking about the Tivo 4K stick. This will be unboxing. The Tivo 4K is a Tivo 4K streaming 4K Android TV. It offers Sling. It also shows Switch. Tivo makes favorite apps and make you feel good about TV. Also, you can search and discover and find movies, TV shows super fast. Just talk or type. It has voice control with the fastest way to stream or saying what you want to enjoy it. It also has Google Assistant built into it with more that is done with just your voice. Stunning picture experience with 4K UHD and Dolby Vision HDR for the richest and most brilliant pictures. Also, no additional features but best integrated with the ease of use experience. No additional TV services or features. Also, it has Chromecast to stream from your phone, your laptop, into your TV, and other Android devices to your TV. So with all else is done, you can also get on here. You can get Netflix, Prime Video, Pandora, Vudu, YouTube, Tivo TV, CW, PBS, Sling, MLB, wrestling, and more. With that being said, make sure you can see. Let's get it open. This is what comes in your box when you first open it. First, we have the main 4K, Tivo 4K. This is how it looks. Here's the remote. On the remote, it has the input, the power, the guide, the channel, the volume, the Tivo, the mute. It also has OK, up and down. It also has back, skip, live, the little other buttons like favorites for your Tivo. Netflix, it has a Netflix dedicated button, and this is for going back home. You use this circle if you need to go back home. It also has the number pad. Also in the box, you will get a set of batteries, AA. You can use these or go get some door seals or whatever the kind is best for you. I personally recommend Duracell or Energizer so you don't have to keep changing your batteries very often. This is their little like HDMI cord, like. The instruction manual. And last but not least, your power brick. Now with your Tivo, you would take this HDMI cord. Right. You put this end right here into the other end. I'm sorry. This end right here into the other end of your Tivo. And it will go right here. And it fits just like this. This is the dongle that goes in the back of your TV. And this is your power brick that goes in this end. And there you have the Tivo 4K streaming stick. Thank you. This is Shrinking Sharon with MS7. Have a blessed day.